How much do you think a psychiatrist make every single year? That's gonna blow your mind. When I first see this and I say, oh my gosh, I'm too old to learn this. A psychiatrist made over $224,000 every single year. That's in the low end. That's the lowest salary per year for a psychiatrist. Let's go right now on my computer. Let me show you data and you will see the reason you're supposed to jump to this. If you just come from high school and you want to make sure you learn something that's gonna bring you money every single year and you will never be poor for the rest of your life, you better watch this. I am now on Indeed. You see, the salary for a psychiatrist is $224,000 per year. That's just for Indeed. Let me show you something that's gonna blow your mind very quick. If we go now on Indeed, under job search, we just type in the very top, psychiatrist, as you can see. Let me show you how much they are making. So, and there are a lot of jobs available like this. That's one of them. Let me just show you guys. So you see, this offer pays $300 an hour. So when a psychiatrist spend 8 hours to work, it's $300 every single hour. That's insane. And you can see, you just need the medical license to start this. So guys, you see, it is something that you can go and learn. So this video just to show you a psychiatrist salary, someone that learned this, after the time that they learn this is what they're gonna make every single year. But to be exact, I am going to Google right now and show you the exact amount that someone who want to make a psychiatrist salary can be making. Let me show you quickly. I type on Google how much a psychiatrist make. This is what I got. How much do psychiatric jobs pays per year? It's from $218,000. Is the 25th percentile. Salaries below this are outliers. $53,000 is the 75th percentile. So that just from ZipRecruiter will give you just an overview about how much psychiatrists made by state in 2023. So guys, I know the question that you're gonna have will be how many years it takes to learn psychiatrist and how much I'm gonna spend for the total of my study to become one. So let me show you. So I was typing this in Google, how many years it takes to become a psychiatrist. Google said it's approximately 12 years. In most cases, it takes approximately 12 years to complete the requirement necessary to become a psychiatrist, 4 years to earn a bachelor degree, 4 years to complete medical school, and 4 years to complete a residency and earn certification. So, I know what you're gonna say, Mr. Valley, it's a lot of time. I'm old, I don't have this time. But just imagine, now you are 30, let's say you are in your 30s, 12 years in your life, gonna be 42 years old. But after 42 years old, you will never be poor again. You will be able to earn the money that's gonna help you reach your goals, your dreams, and the dream house, the dream cars that you always dream about. So 12 years is nothing. You can spend 12 years in your life doing nothing. But if you spend it learning something that's gonna change your life, change your career, and change everything for you. If you just come from high school, I will advise you, it's not too much time. Don't go quick to find easy job that's gonna pay you $20, $25 because you just come from high school. You need quick money. I will suggest you Be patient. If you have a parent that can pay for you, your family can afford this and pay this for you, go for it. Let me show you how much is the cost, the total to learn this very quick. Let me go again on my computer. So how much you think it costs to become a psychiatrist? This means that taking together for an out-of-state public school student, the cost of medical school and college is about $330,000. In state public school student typically pay less, while private school student may pay double or even triple this sum. Psychiatry residencies typically pay $60,000 a year. So just make the total by 12 years and you're gonna get the. So for me, I think if you have a parent that can afford this for you, can pay this for you, you can go for it. It's not really something impossible. But you just imagine you get paid $250,000 every single year. In 4 years, you will become a millionaire. So for me, I think it's a good idea. You can learn this, and if you come from high school, that's a good profession to learn. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you hit the subscribe button. It was about psychiatrist salary. If you want to get this type of salary and you want to become a psychiatrist, you better watch this video till the end, and you better try to go there. So there are a lot of schools that are going to give you this type of training or this type of profession. So go online, find the best that suit your income or your budget, and try to learn it. And after come back, maybe after 12 years on this video, say, thank you, Mr. Valal. I follow your advice, and now I'm a psychiatrist, and I got a psychiatrist salary. Thank you again for watching. Bye.